What's going on, everyone? Just looking through the comments on today's video, and lots of people are just not having it that I said I might have to give the mountain sled title back to Skidoo this year. You know, I was kind of just kidding when I said that, but lots of people in the comments say, oh, I'd take a fuel pump over a blown motor any day. And for me, when it comes to snowmobiling, it's not really going to matter what the issue is. It's more important how quickly you get back on the snow. But I like to keep things positive around here, and they are both great snowmobiles. Let's just get up on the mountain and enjoy the day with Johnny and Dawson. Climbed out of the gnarly drainage from yesterday's video. We started side hilling over and got into some pretty cool terrain here. How's those 146 ruts?
I'm gonna come down, just want to use.
What are we getting ourselves into here?
I don't know.
Oh boy.
Yeah. He's taking my line before I can take it. At least I get to go before Johnny. Slingshot mode. Oh no, his snow's still moving, not very slingshot like. That was a lot of wide open.
I haven't seen Johnny in a while again.
I heard him back there. Whew. I was thinking it wasn't as deep as yesterday, but it's pretty damn close.
You know that skinny little fucking cliff edge you guys side hill and then drop through those trees?
Yeah. pretty sure we could drop this, yeah?
I'm pretty sure this is the one I looked at from the bottom.
Okay, I trust you.
I'm 80% confident.
80?
Yeah.
50 is good enough for me. Neat.
146 back up it now?
Yeah. It'll make it. Oh, that's better. I had to work for that one. Let's be real, I gotta work for everything on this thing. That didn't happen. I think the GoPro might have got that, but I turned it on like 2 seconds before. Should be hot enough to cook it.
I'd say so. It's the perfect cook right there.
It's not as hot as yesterday. Oh yeah.
Got a little burnt spot, but
I was thinking my exhaust wasn't that hot today, but I think this was about 3 minutes against the muffler. Perfect. It actually might be cold in the middle still. It's gonna leave a massive trench for me. Oh. No thanks.
take that out. So did it just throw the code, like it just shut off? The engine shuts off? Sometimes. It'll fire back up.
Deep. It's been deep for days now, and it's gonna be deep for days. March Madness. We've done about 50K, 3 bars of fuel left, so we're gonna do one more pull up the mountain here, and then that's probably gonna be it. We drop way down here, so should be a fun pull.
That was a pull.
Yeah, still got a bit of a climb to go.
Oh, there's still more. Well, folks, it's probably time to work our way out now. 1 bar of fuel left. Fuel light is on.
Hey, my fuel pump is done now.
We heard that. We're gonna come over to you.
So on the sled today, we've done 61 kilometers, and I just checked the GPS, and we've only done 34. That's a lot of track spin. Holy, it's warm out. We had some awesome snow today out there, pulled some awesome lines, and that drainage at the start of the day was a lot of fun. So it's a great day, and I'm ready to do it all over again tomorrow. Probably going out with Landon and his crew, whoever that may be. It should be another good day. We'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.